Today we are going to show you how to set up your own Mediafire account, upload an audio file, and then notify the radio station so the file can be later downloaded by the radio station. Open up your web browser and go to the address bar and enter www.mediafire, that's mediafire.com. Once you've entered that, simply press the return or enter key on your keyboard, or go to the right side of the address bar and click on the arrow. This will send you to the home page for Mediafire. Once the home page is loaded, look to the upper right-hand side where it says Create a Free Account, and then click on Create a Free Account. This will open a drop-down box where you're going to enter your email address and a password and then confirm it. Please note that in future uses of Mediafire, you will click on the Login button and then enter your email address and password. But to set up your account, now enter your email address. For purposes of the demonstration, we're going to enter the radio station's email address, but you will enter your email address that you normally use here in this first box. Once you've done that, move down to the next box and enter a password. Please remember that the password has to be a minimum of 5 characters. Now go to the next box and enter the password again to confirm it. Now drop down to the bottom box which says Create a Free Account, left-click on it, and you'll see that your new account for Mediafire is being created. Once it's successfully created, you'll see this notice, and also in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, where it used to say Create a Free Account, now your email address appears. At this point in time, make sure that you have your audio file recorded in an MP3 format, and that you know the name of the file and also the folder in which that file is located on your computer, because we are now going to show you how to upload that file to Mediafire and then send a notice to the radio station that the file is ready to be downloaded by the radio station. So now that you have your file ready to go, let's move on to uploading a file to Mediafire. You will notice in the upper center part of the screen the Upload Files to Mediafire button, and you will want to move your cursor down to that button and left-click on it. You will now see a screen open up in which you can find the folder on your computer where your file is located, and then click on that file to highlight it. Then go down to the bottom right-hand side of the box and click on the Open button. This will bring you to this page where you are going to see that the file you've selected is listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, if you have picked the wrong file, you will want to move your cursor over to the Remove button, click it, and then start over. But since we've picked the right file, we're going to press on this Start Upload button. Simply left-click and you will start the upload. This will bring you to this selection. Now the default folder is My Files. If you want to create a different folder, you may do that by clicking on this button, but for most cases you'll just simply click on the My Files main folder, and this will start your upload. As you can see, Mediafire is now uploading the file that you have selected from the folder you have selected. You will then see a notification that your file has been uploaded, and it may say verified, and then you'll come to the screen where it says View Updated Files, which you may do, but this also indicates you successfully uploaded your files to Mediafire. Now we are going to need to send a notification to the radio station that the files have been uploaded and are ready to be downloaded by the radio station. Go to the My Files tab and left-click. Once you do that, you will see the file that you have uploaded, and you will want to move over to this open box and left-click so that the check mark appears. At this point in time, move to the left where you will select Email Selected Items. If you want to remove old files, just move down one more line to delete selected items. But in this case, since we only have the one file and this is the one we want to send, click on Email Selected Items. This drop-down box appears, and your email address will appear in the top box. You will want to enter our email address in the recipient's email box, and it is info, I-N-F-O, at KTDV-Radio.com. Once you've entered that, you'll just move down one more line to where it says Send Web Link, and left-click on that. You will see that one item has been sent to info at KTDV-Radio.com, and you are finished. Now you will want to log out of Mediafire. To do that, you will go up to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on Log Out. And then you can go on to other activities on the internet, and it will tell you that you've logged off. That concludes our demonstration on how to successfully set up a Mediafire account and upload files for the radio station to download at a later time. If you have any questions, you certainly are welcome to call us at 641-752-4122. And thank you for watching.